Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy. How are y'all doing today? So today I'm going to be doing another tutorial using the BH Opalescent palette. This is just going to be a short, quick tutorial. My eyebrows, they're not even cousins today. They're like distant relatives and I don't know what's going on. So I'm going to be doing the tutorial with my good brow today, which is not my good eye because of my scar, but I usually do my tutorials on my right eye, but I'm going to be doing it on my left eye today. So if this is something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep watching. Okay, so nothing new here today. I'm going in with the P. Louise base. If you do not have this, you can use concealer. Use whatever primer or base that you prefer. Okay, using my BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, I'm going to be dipping into Wish. I'm going to start packing onto my lid, my outer corner first. What I'm doing is while I pack, I'm kind of like blending it out like this. Because of my wrinkles, we got to make sure we get everything in there nice and neat. I will then start to move this product up in blending motion. My BH Cosmetics number 4 brush, Alluring, which is a nice light peachy shade. Lightly blend more of this purple out. Alright, and once I have that done, I'm going to go into the shade Twilight, and this is a Morphe R37 brush. I'm going to run on my lid. I'll just swipe this all around the lid, and then when there's nothing left, I will go in and blend that up. Alright, on the same brush, I'm going to go into Twilight to focus more on just the middle part of my eye, just to get it to really show some shimmer. I'm going to go back in with the purple shade, add some color back into the smokiness of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to go do this to the other side of my eye, put my face on, put on some lashes, and I'll be right back. I am back and done with my lashes on. These are Lilli lashes in the style Hollywood. My lipstick is Too Faced Melted Matte, and this is in the color Cool Girl. I had on a bright pink lipstick earlier and I was like not having it, so. Okay, so now that we're back, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, and I'm going to go into that purple, and we are going to get our lower lash line. Okay, and for our inner corner highlight, we're going to go into Dream, which is this gold shade right here. And this will be our inner corner highlight. Okay, then on top of that, we're going to go on with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the highlighter in Amarizi. And just touch this up, brighten it up just a tad bit, and then this will also go on our brow bone. Now for our bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Snap Mascara and just finish this look off. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Before you leave, go ahead and check the description box. All the goodies are down there. You can follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked down below, which is Twitter and Instagram. But I also do Pinterest and Facebook, so if y'all want to check those out, they're linked below. Also, you guys make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Also, hit the bell notification. Only about 10% of my audience has the bell on, so click that little bell, click it, and be notified every time that I upload. You guys have a great night, a wonderful day, and I will see y'all again very soon. Bye, y'all.